Okay. Hi guys, Leila, Ilkin, Elmira, and Maria. Anybody else? So Leila, did you have some free time to practice some questions, or you didn't do any question from exercise 2?
No, I'm practical.
Okay. Guys, let's continue. Let's try to finish geometry today, okay? And last time we did these questions together, but one question was left, the last question, if you remember, right? We didn't solve this question. So after that, today we'll talk about, what is it? The area. And the third part is about, mixed problems, okay? But this time, in the first class, we did a lot of examples. Second class, you practice some questions. Now you are experienced, you have idea, you know how to do that. So now we need to work on speed, okay? Now you need to try to solve the questions fast, all right? So for each question, I will give you only 2 minutes, okay? So guys, if you're ready, let's start, all right? So this question 14, try, and after that, let's discuss, and then we will move to the next exercise. Now you have 2 minutes. Mariam, correct. Guys, if you saw the question correctly, if I said correct, give 5 points to yourself. Okay, you'll tell me how many points did you collect in this class. Time is up. Leila, Ilkin, Elmira, any answer? Ilkin, you look so tired. What happened? Nigar, correct. Sarah, correct. Ilkin, correct. Okay, very good. I think now it should be piece of cake for you. In CDEF is a square, AE is equal to 2019. If DE is, for example, let's say this X, right? And this AD should be 2009 minus X. And since CFDE or DCEFE is square, that means all the sides are equal. And also this should be X. And also this is X. And this one is 2009 minus X. And to find the perimeter, or the perimeter of the rectangle, 2 times length, that is 2009 minus X, plus width, it is equal to X. X minus X is equal to 0, so that's equal to 4,018 centimeters. Okay. Neila, can you hear me? Huh?
Um, I
Like, can you hear me well?
I do this exercise, but I don't write for you
No,
in
no, no,
chat.
Leila. Now, when I speak, do you hear me well?
I don't can answer for your question.
Leila, how are you? Leila, how are you?
I'm good, fine, normal.
How was your day today? Did you go anywhere today?
No,
So you stayed home the whole day.
yeah, yeah.
Good. Elmira, how about you?
I can hear you well, yes.
Very good. Nigar, is everything all right?
Yes,
Where is Mariam? Mariam, now I cannot see you. Are you on the other
I'm
page?
here. I'm here. I'm here.
Good. Guys, now let's move to the other exercise, okay? So it's about area. From the first two questions, I'll just do one. Okay, I know everybody can do this. Just a kind of warm up, all right? Calculate the area of the following figures. Actually, following squares, right? Side length. So what is the area? For example, it is side length squared. So side length is 6 squared. That's equal to 36 cm squared or square centimeters. And how do you find the area of a rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length times width. So that is 15 times 8. That's equal to 120 cm squared, right?
120. 100.
Okay. And how about if area is given? How do you find the side of a square? Area equals 9.
Three.
So
Three.
we know that that's
Three.
equal to 8
Three.
squared. What number's square is?
Three. Oh,
9.
yeah.
A is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Good. You can do these questions. Now let's continue with question 7. So the area of a rectangle is 80 square centimeters. Find the possible length and width as integers of centimeters, right? And if you remember with a similar question, if it is width and length, usually actually a longer side of a rectangle is called length, right? The shorter side is called width. Okay, so now when I'm just writing this, I have to add this condition. This length is always greater than width. So now what rectangle's area is equal to 80, where W and L must be whole numbers. That integer means here positive integer. Positive integer means just simply natural numbers, or let's say whole numbers. So we can just write it as 1 times 80, right? Or 2 times 40, or 4 times 20, 5 times 16, right? It is 8 times 10. So how many different rectangles we can form? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. The next question is for you. As I told you, you should think fast. Okay, try to do the questions fast. Question 9, read it and answer. You have 2 minutes. Start now. Ilkin, your answer is wrong. It's not correct. Elmira, correct. Sarah, correct. Ilkin, correct. Okay. Guys, time is up. Anybody else? Niger, correct. Okay. All
Mr.
right,
Kazim,
Nigar, if I
how
ask you, how did you solve this question? Can you just describe or explain to us? How did you do that?
Mr. Kazim, but what about my answer?
Yeah, Mariam, Nigar, Ilkin, Sara, Elmira. All your answers are correct. Yes, Nigar, how did you do that? Can you just tell me your method? How did you get the for what
Yes.
Leila 100? Why?
Two.
Um, I think if we from this I don't know, from this figure we do as a square, or how can I say? If we imagine that it is the square, yes.
Imagine.
No, how can I say this? I don't know. We draw this figure as a square, or we do this as the square, and all these lines is for 5 meters. Um,
Are you telling me like you're drawing like this?
yes, but I can't
Okay.
explain it very well. But
All right. Maybe also your answer is also good. All right. In different ways, we can solve this. Even I can just count how many squares can actually cover this region, right? But actually, I
Yes, can
just
I
saw.
say?
Yes, you can.
I divided this figure for 13 cubes, and I uh, I find the square 1 cube. I 5
And
multiple 5 times 5 is 25, and
okay.
25 multiple 13 is 325.
Okay, that's also one method. Very good. Actually, all math because it's so simple. And also Mariam's Nigar's method is also good. But actually, I calculated like this. I would calculate like this. I just cut from here, okay? And this one, I can just move the square here, okay? Then here we will have this square. And also this one, I just cut it off and move it here, all right? And I have here. Okay. Now what we have here, as you see here, now I have a rectangle, right? And plus one more piece is just outside. Now rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the area is 4 times 5, 20 times, how about width? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 it is 15. Plus I need to add one more area, one more square. Its area is 5 square, which is equal to, this one is 300 plus 25, 325 cm squared. And also your method is also good. Here at the top we have 1 square, in the second line 3 squares, in the fourth one 5, and after that 3 and 1. How many altogether? It's altogether 12, right? Is it 12 or 13? 13. 13 times 25, that's equal to 325. All right, guys, let's move to the next question. Okay, how about this question? You have 2.5 minutes for this question. Read, try to understand, and do it. Can I have cold water? No, just glass. What, Ilkin, what do you mean? 4? How can it be 4? The width of the flower bed. Flower bed means flower garden, and the space is 2 meters. Find the area of the flower bed. Okay, 43 seconds more. After that, we will discuss together.
Mr. Kasim, I sent you my answer.
Yeah, Mariam, I saw your answer, but I don't know now this is correct or not. Okay, let's solve it together, guys. Anybody else? Nigar, Leila, Ilkin. Ilkin, actually, your answer. Can it be 4 or 2? Okay. Only Mariam. Let's say Mariam, your answer is correct or not. I'm not sure. I think it's correct. So guys, let me just do, as you see here, the space, right? The width of the flower bed and the space is 2 meters. Also, this one is, right? This one is 2 meters. Anyway, let me just divide this into rectangles, all right? One I cut from here, okay? Another one from here and from here. And another one maybe from here and from here, okay? So now what is this length? This length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 10 meters, right? 10 times 2. So this area is 20. And also at the top, they are identical. Also, this area is 20 square centimeters. And how about this? From here, right? It is 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one is 8 until here. 8 times 2, it is 16. How about here? 1, 2, 3. So this area is 6, right? And this one is 4. This one is 4 times 2, that is 8. So now if you just add all these areas, 20 plus 20, it is 40, plus 60 plus 16 plus 4, it is 20, and 8 plus 6, it is 14. What? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 times 2. This should be 12, right? Okay, this should be 12. All right. 20 plus 20, it is 40. Here we have 16 plus 4, 20. 8 plus 12, it is also 20, which is equal to 80 centimeters squared. Mariam, your answer is correct, and others, all answers are wrong. Is it Mariam? Yes, Mariam. Right. Okay, Irkin, did you understand?
Yes, I understood.
Leila, how about you? Did you understand?
Yes.
Leila, how old are you? 11 or 12?
11.
11. So you were born in 2011, 9 or 10?
What do you say? I'm don't
When
listen.
were you born? In 2009 or 2010?
9.
9. Okay, good. So you're 1 year older than my daughter. My daughter was born in 2010. Good. Now she's in grade 5. You are in grade 6, right? Nigar, how about you? How old are you? 10?
No,
11?
I'm 11 too. Yes.
So also you were born in 2009.
2009. Yes.
2009. Mariam?
I'm 12.
2008.
2009. No, 9.
2009. What do you mean it's 12? It's
Yeah,
2009
I'm 12. Yeah, I'm 12. I was born in January.
January. I see. Very good. Ilkin, how about you?
And I'm 12. And I born in 2008. Yes.
2008.
Yes.
Really? So you're
Yes.
the oldest man here. I thought you're the youngest here, Ilkin. Okay. Guys, let's continue. If you're ready, let's move to the next question. All right. Uh, let's do this together. All right. This very easy question. Find the area of the following figure, right? It is just this part is removed, right? This part is removed. So this one is 9 plus 5 plus 6, that's equal to 20. So the length of this rectangle is 20 centimeters and width 16. So what is the area? 20 times 16, but this shaded region is removed, so I need to subtract, right? Minus 20, that's 4 times 5. 20 times 16, 320 minus 20. So the area of this shape, I mean this figure is 300 square centimeters. Okay. All right. Now, if you're ready, you are going to solve the next question. Question 12. Okay. So this is a little bit challenging question. That is SASMO question. Okay. You have 2.5 minutes. Time starts now. Ilkin, how many different answers do you have? 74, 320, 107. Which one? The last one?
107. Which one?
Guys, time is up. Let's see. Leila, Nigar, Mariam, any answer? Elmira. Okay. Elmira, let's see. So guys, no answer from others? Okay. Guys, just I will use the previous example. If you remember this one, right? As you see here, the shaded part is just removed. Now we need to find the area of the rectangle. And after that, I have to subtract the area of the shaded region because that part is removed, right? And similar to this, let me just name the first part. I mean, there's a first shaded part. Let's say this area is A and this one is B, right? And what is A? A is, we know that this width, right, it is 5 plus 3, that's equal to 8. So the area of this rectangle, suppose that this unshaded region is not removed yet. So that is 7 times 8. Now we are removing this unshaded part, right? So that is minus 4 times 3, which is equal to 7 times 8 is 56 minus 12. That's equal to 44 cm squared. And how about for part B? The same thing happens, right? And that one is 3, 3. So the width of this rectangle is 6. So here we have 14 times 6 minus this unshaded region is removed. So that is 3 times 4. We are just cutting off, right, this unshaded region. That's equal to 6 times 14 is 84 minus 12. That's equal to 72. So the shaded region, let's say shaded region equals A plus B, A equals 44, B equals 72, which is equal to 116 cm squared. Any questions? Ilkin, Nigar, Mariam, Leila, did you understand?
Yes.
Ilkin, did you understand 100% or still not sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
If everything is okay, let's move to the next question. All right, that's very simple, but in its practice. How about this question? Okay, we already did similar one if you remember. Try one more time. Okay, you have 3 minutes to solve this question. Elmira, Ilkin, so different answers. Let's see
Mr.
for
Kasim,
others. 30 seconds left.
Mr. Kasim, I sent you to. Is it correct?
Mariam, say again.
I sent you my answer. Is it correct?
It's a lot. It's too big. The area
No,
of flower bed, right? The shaded region, the shaded square.
no. It's not 224. It's another. It's 64.
Wait. Rauf, Leila, Ilkin, Elmira.
I sent 2.
64.
Yes.
Okay, Sarah also 64, Rauf 16. Okay, guys, time is up. Let's see. Maybe I think it's correct. Let's see.
But
Okay, anybody else?
I sent 2, but
Yes. My answer is wrong.
Okay, I can see Sarah's answer.
Mr.
Rauf,
Qasim,
Leila,
I want to
Ilkin,
change my
Elmira,
answer to
Mariam. Okay,
64
can
too.
you send again?
all
I
right.
sent again, but I sent 2.
Okay, so if you remember, how did you solve this? It says that the square flower bed. Flower bed means flower garden, right? Usually, if you visit parks, right, the flower garden is surrounded by some kind of pool. Anyway, surrounded by a pool of 4 feet width. If the area of the pool is 256 square feet, find the area of the flower bed. And in different way, we can split this. Actually, I'm going to divide this in this way: here, from here, and from here, and from here, right? And all of these squares are identical, right? And suppose that this one is, okay, I will just find the area later. Or let's say one side of the square is, let's say it is A, and this also A, and also this is A, right? Then what is the length of this rectangle? It is A plus 4, right? And also in the same way, the length of this rectangle, it is A plus 4. Anyway, let's say this area is A, A, A, A. How many A's? I mean, the area of the pool is 4 A's, right? Just consists of 4 rectangles. So 4A is equal to 256. From here, what is A? 256 over 4. That's equal to 64. Okay. All right. That's our first step. Now we know actually the area of one rectangle. Number 2, what is the area of the rectangle? The width is 4, right? That is 4 times A plus 4. That's equal to 64. Now from here, A plus 4, 4 times what number is 64? That's equal to 16. So what is A? A equals 12. What is A? One side of the square, right? The flower bed. So number 3 is, then what is the area of flower bed? Let's say it is flower bed. Okay, Facebook. FB, flower bed, is equal to, what is it? 12 squared. That's equal to 144 cm squared. Whose answer is 144?
My answer. It's my answer.
Ilkin, your answer is 144. Only Ilkin's answer is correct, but all other answers are incorrect. Mariam, did you solve like this or in different way? How did you get 64?
I just divide 256 and 4.
First, you divided 256 by 4.
Yes.
Okay, that is 64. After that,
After that, I didn't do anything. I just get 64 and thought that it's a correct answer.
no. It's not the answer. Oh, Maria, you should not think like this. Yeah, the
Yes,
64 is the area of one rectangle, right?
yes, I see.
But actually, we need to find the area of this flower bed. It's a square shape.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I understood.
Okay, step by step, actually, you will change this habit. Okay, and students who are primary school, they just guess. If they see the number, either they multiply or add or divide, but they don't know why they are multiplying or adding. But now, step by step, we will actually answer every question. I multiplied. Why? Because of this reason. You divided. Why? Because of this reason. Right? And there must be a reason in every step. Okay, guys, very good. Let's continue. Next question. Similar question, and I hope everybody solves this question correctly. Okay. Read it well. All right. Try to understand and solve this. You have 3 minutes. Time starts now. 35 seconds. Oh, Mr. Rauf, you're also here?
Yes.
I didn't see you. Okay, Mariam has the answer. Let's see. How about the others? Mariam, did you solve it or you're just guessing the answer?
No, no, I solved it like this.
Okay. If your answer is correct, I will buy you ice cream, okay? Do you like ice cream?
Yes, but now it's not time of this. Now it's winter,
What?
actually. I say that it's not time of ice cream. Now it's winter.
It's okay, but you'll eat ice cream at home, not outside.
Okay.
Inside your house, it should be hot, right?
Mm.
Ralph, what is this?
I like solve. I'll solve it right now.
Time is
I
up.
find it.
Nigar, Ilkin, who else? Who actually? I can't see others. Rauf, Leyla, Elmira. Elmira Salmanzade. Any answer from you?
And no,
No, why not?
I don't
Leyla,
know.
12? What do you mean 12, Leyla? Okay, guys, Rauf, 330. Nigar, no answer?
No.
Okay. Guys, step by step, step by step. Okay, let's do this together. As you see here, the shaded region is a flower bed, right? It is surrounded by a pool of 3 feet width. It states that if the area of the pool is 198 square feet and the length of the flower bed, look at this, the length of the flower bed is twice of its width. Find the area of the flower bed. What does it
Sorry,
say?
Mr. Kasim.
Yes,
I think 1,800.
1,800. Okay, Elmira's
Yes.
answer, 1,800 square feet. Let's see, Elmira. If you answer correctly, you will get ice cream, okay?
Thank you.
So here, how should we understand this? But step by step, you should start, how to say, you should understand and using algebra to solve this kind of questions. Do we know its width? I don't know, right? Suppose that its width is W, okay? And also this one is W. But in the question, it says that its length of the flower bed is twice of its width. So its length should be 2W. Okay. So now the area of the pool is 198. So how do you find the area of the pool, right? Area of the pool is, if this one is W, right? If I just divide this again from here and from here, okay? And also from here and from here, right? And how many rectangles do we have here? 4. But this one, if this one is capital A, this is also capital A. They are the same. If this part is B and also this part is B, right? Now width is equal to 3. Also this one is 3. And also this one is 3. And also this one is 3. Okay. Anyway, now if you just find the, what is it? Area of the pool. Area of the pool is A plus A, right? It is 2A. B plus B, it is 2B. Or I can just write it as 2 is common factor here, A plus B. That is equal to 198, right? 198, I can write it as 2 times 99. So this 2 cancels each other. A plus B equals 99. What is A? Capital A plus B. What is capital A? Nigar, can you tell me what is capital A?
Mimic.
Um,
Huh? 3
so
times W,
3
right?
times
Is it a
W is
rectangle? Width is 3 units, right? And width is W. So it is 3W. A equals 3W plus, Mariam, can you tell me what is the area of B?
B is okay. It's
3 times 3 is width. How about the length? What is the length?
3 times width plus length. Yes.
What is the length of rectangle B?
We don't know.
5W.
5W, are you sure?
No.
Look here, this part is, what is it? It is 3. This part is 3. The middle part is 2W.
Yes.
So that's equal to 2W plus 6.
Plus 6.
Right? From here, if you count from here to until here, 2W plus 6. That is equal to what? 99. Again, I can simplify this. 3W plus 3 times 2W, it is 6W. 3 times 6, it is 18. On the right-hand side, we have 99. Very simple equation. Now, 3W, 6W, it is 9W. Take 18 to the right-hand side, 99 minus 18, right? And 9 times W equals this. What is W? 99 minus 18 is, what is it? 81 over 9, that's equal to 9, right? Elmira, do you understand?
Yes.
If you understand this, the rest is easy. If I know W, the question is find the area of the flower bed. So the area of flower beds, okay, is equal to, yes, Elmira, can you tell me what is the length of flower bed?
18.
2W, right? 2W, it is 18. So
Yes,
2W, it is
18.
18. So it is 2W times width, it is W, equals
Yes.
2 times W is
3.
9, and W is 9. So 81, that's equal to 162 cm squared. That's the answer.
Mm.
Now tell me whose answer is 162. Nobody. Okay. Mariam, Sarah, Nigar, Elmira. Did you get something? Did you understand every step, Nigar?
Yes, now I understood this method.
Okay. Now let's try another question. Let's see. Now you have some idea again. All right. End of the questions. All right. Now I will open the third exercise. Okay. Now they are a little bit harder because you should understand and draw the picture. I mean the graph, I mean the figure, then you should solve this. Okay. All right. Guys, let's start with question one. Okay, read it, understand it, and solve it. You have 3 minutes. Ilkin. Okay, Ilkin, let's see. Let's wait for others. Okay, Ilkin, Leila, how about the others? Leila, why do you have two answers? Ah, okay, Leila, I got it. And others? Nigar, Mariam, Sarah, Elmira? Elmira, again, different answer. Three students, all answers are different. Okay, and the others, let's do it together. if a square is divided into two identical rectangles. Suppose that this is our square, right? And we just divide this into two identical rectangles like this. So that is our first rectangle, and that's our second rectangle, right? And suppose that the side of the square is A, and also this side is A, okay? So, Sarah, this question is for you. Are you there? Sarah, this one is A, this is A. What is the width of this rectangle?
I can't hear you.
What is the width of this rectangle? Elmira, what is the width of this rectangle? Breath.
A divided by 2.
Very good. A divided by 2, right? Also, actually are same, but maybe in the picture it looks different, but A divided by 2. Okay, in the question, it says that the perimeter of each rectangle is 30. So from here, perimeter means 2 times length. Length is A, width, it is A over 2. That's equal to 30. Immediately 30, I can write it as 2 times 15, so that I can simplify these 2's. So A plus A over 2, what is it? It is 3 over 2, right? 1 plus half, it is 3 over 2A. On the right-hand side, we have 15. So if I multiply, right, 3 over 2, that means that A is equal to 2 over 3 times 15, which is equal to 10. Because as you see here, 10 over 2, 5, 3 times 5 is 15. So A equals 10. Find the area and perimeter of the square. That's our first question part. Now, to answer this question, part 2, perimeter of the square is, we know that it's equal to 4 times A. That's equal to 4 times 10, which is equal to 40, what is it, centimeters. And how about the area? A squared, A equals 10 squared, that's equal to 100 square centimeters. Okay, Sarah, 140, that's correct. Ilkin, only one answer. Elmira, 140, that's correct. Leila, 60 and 400, that's
I sent
correct.
a different answer.
Correct. Okay.
Mr. Custom, I get these numbers too, but I was typing this answer. So can I plus me 5 points?
Mariam, is it you?
Yes, yes.
Say again, I didn't understand.
I'm asked that I get these numbers too, but am I able to plus me 5 points? Can I plus me 5 points?
I mean, did you get this answer before I started solving this question or after
Yes,
that?
yes, yes,
Okay, good. Okay, Nigar. Okay.
yes.
I mean, Mariam. Okay. Guys, let's do question 2 together. After that, 3, you will try question 3, okay? The perimeter of a square is 40. Now, immediately we know that one side is, what is it? 10, right? So because if you're talking about the square, if perimeter is 40, that means that here we have 10, this one is 10, this one is 10, this one is 10. Anyway, if the square is divided into 5 identical rectangles, find the area and perimeter of each rectangle, right? So that means that I'm just dividing into 5. So that means that since it is a side is 10, right? So if I just take one rectangle, so what is the length of this? Is 5 identical rectangles, it should be 2. And length, it should be 10. Find the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 times 10 plus 2. That's equal to 1224 centimeters. And how about the area? 2 times 10, that's equal to 20
20.
centimeters. Okay. Now you try question 3. Okay, you have 2 minutes only. Very easy question. 2 minutes. Time is up. Any answer? Ilkin, what is your answer? Huh? İlkin. Elmira?
I
Elmira,
haven't
do you
got
have any
any
answer?
answer.
Huh?
No,
No?
no,
You couldn't solve it?
maybe yes.
Nigar?
I didn't solve it, but I have one question about it. So all of the angles of the remaining figure are right angles, and the area of the square is 400 centimeters square. But what they mean as the square? No, as the where is the square? Or not? I know what is the square, but where?
Yeah,
This-
suppose that in your hand, there's a piece of paper in square shape. And you are just cutting, okay, these corners. You see here, for example, this part, you just cut it off. And also with the scissors, you can just cut this off. And also to cut off this part, okay? And originally, before you cut off, it was a square.
Oh,
Okay, so now this is originally. That's why it's saying that originally means before you cut off the corners. A piece of square paper, two of its corners are cut away, and the area of the square is 400. If the area is 400, what is 400? I can write it as 20 square, right? That means that one side of the square is 20 centimeters. So that means that this part is 20.
20.
So this part, I mean the length, right? The side length, it is
It's also
20.
20.
So the question is, find the perimeter of the given figure on the right. So again, if you just move this here, if you move this to here, and if you move this to here, and if you move this to here, right? Move this to here, move this to here. It just becomes a square again. So the perimeter of the figure is just equal to 4 times 20. That's equal to 80 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay. Nigar, can you read this? What is it?
Where?
Can you read this?
Oh, angel? No,
Angel.
angle.
Angle or angel?
Angle. Angle. Angle.
How about this one, Nigar?
This is angel, and this is angle.
Very good. Angle and angel, right? Angels are good creatures. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I have to finish this, okay? Practice the rest of the questions. Next time, we will talk about number theory, okay? Again, we will focus on solving
Okay.
equations and word problems. Until you understand how to solve problems, we will keep practicing. And maybe after maybe 1 week, we will also start solving some small questions, okay? Guys, thank you very much. I will see you next week. Maybe I will give some question for practice if you have time. Okay, if you have any questions, just write to me from WhatsApp. All right. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice
Bye.
weekend. See you next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye bye.
you, Marilla.
Yeah,
Bye.
You too. Thank you.